Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about lifestyle, owning your own business, shopping hauls, fashion, try-ons, travel, all the things. And today I'm so excited because today we have a fun Abercrombie jacket haul. Abercrombie was having a little sale and it is fully winter in Buffalo, and I figured why not shop the sale, get two new jackets that I've had my eye on for a while, and they just came in, so I figured why not try them on with you guys. So let's get into it. One thing I'll say is I'm feeling a little nervous because I forgot that I'm actually a size extra small. I ordered both of these jackets in a small, so they might end up being big on me. We're gonna cross our fingers. We're gonna see. So let me get the package. Let's try on these two jackets. So, jacket number one is the contrast trim Sherpa aviator jacket. I got it in a size small. It is in the color brown. I'm obsessed with how the brown and the black look together, so let's unbag her and try her on. Woo! I'm so excited. I feel like it's huge though. It's so cute. I absolutely love it. I really hope it fits. I feel like this is too big.
Yeah.
It is definitely too big. It needs to be smaller. But when it's smaller, it's gonna be perfect because it's so cute. It's adorable. It's absolutely adorable. Look. I love the black leather. I love the details of it. Like, this is so cute. The lining of it, it's so freaking cute. Honestly, this is my fault. I think the next jacket is also gonna end up being too big, and I'm gonna have to exchange them both for an extra small. It's so cute though, you guys, and it's really nice and warm. Like, the quality of this is really impressive. Look at the inside. Look at this nice, super soft material. I absolutely love it. I like that it's a little longer of a jacket. I honestly just can't wait to have this in the right size. So I'm gonna get this ready to zip back up and put back in the bag. And I will try on jacket number two, but I honestly have a feeling that I'm gonna just end up swapping both of these for a size extra small. Let me get this folded. Okay, so jacket number one is already bagged back up, and in the box, I'm actually just going around on this box and taking off all the identifiable stickers so that I can use it to ship my items back with the little label. Thank God the label came. There was one time where I ordered from Abercrombie and they forgot to include my like slip and everything fit perfectly, but I remember being like, what am I gonna do if it doesn't all fit? So, okay, let me try on this second jacket. So the second jacket is the Sherpa lined cropped twill jacket. I also think I think it's gonna be too big. It's in the color cream, size small, regrettably. So let me try this one on as well. They're both really thick though. I'm really impressed by how warm they both feel. This is jacket number two. This one honestly doesn't look as big. So let's see. What do you think?
Ooh, that I think fits.
Me too.
Yeah, and it looks great.
Does it?
Yes.
I mean, there definitely is some room, but I don't think it's too big.
No.
Do you?
No. I think it looks great.
Not too big.
No?
We might have a winner! Oh my god, you guys, it's super cute and it's super warm. So like I said, this is the Sherpa lined cropped twill in the size small in the color cream. Matt and I might just be taking a trip to the mall because maybe I'm gonna end up exchanging the other jacket in person at Abercrombie in the mall, because although the mall was probably crazy today.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy anyway.
But this is super, super cute. I am so excited about this, you guys. It's so nice and warm. It's like surprisingly really, really warm, which I'm just so excited about. Look at how nice also. So it's like a double lined, you can see, hold on, I'm letting the camera focus. Okay, so you can see the sleeve here is like a, kind of like a sweatshirty type sleeve. It's like a double freaking lined sleeve. Zips up. This little faux, although I don't like that this is popping up. Look at this.
Yeah, if you unzip it a second, you can get it to settle.
It's like the way that it
Came out of the package.
was folded in the package. Okay, maybe if I just, is that better?
Yes, and
Okay.
we could get it to stay down.
I'm gonna have to like mess with that a little bit. Oh, I hate that it's popping up. Oh my god, it's actually killing me. You need to like lay something flat on it, honestly, for a little bit. But this is the jacket. You've got a little zipped pocket here. And let me show you. It's also like Sherpa lined on the inside, which is so, so nice and warm and cozy. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. The size small doesn't feel too big in this one, which is really nice. I will say though, this popping up is killing me. I'm gonna go take a look at it in the mirror. This is the jacket. Okay, I absolutely love this. I'm definitely not exchanging this one for the extra small because this one is definitely really, really well sized. I am gonna have to lay something down on this little, the end of this guide because it just keeps kind of popping up. But aside from that, I absolutely love this jacket. It is so warm, it's so cute. I love the cropped look. I think that's super flattering. And yeah, I'm super excited. So one of the jackets ended up fitting perfectly. One of them was a little bit too big. So this was my, what was our total here? This was my $173 jacket haul from Abercrombie. I love this jacket and I honestly love the brown one too. The brown one is gonna look so cute. It's gonna be fantastic throughout the end of fall and throughout winter. It's really gonna be perfect. It's just a matter of getting it in the right size for me. I really think that I'm gonna wear these two jackets all the time because again, I just got back from an event and I was wearing my leather jacket. This is way warmer than that jacket. I feel so cozy though and comfortable in this, so I am so excited. These are the Sherpa lined cropped twill jacket as well as the contrast trim Sherpa aviator jacket. So I'm gonna get that one in the brown in an extra small. This one is the size small in the color cream. I absolutely love both of these jackets. I'm so, so excited. So if you guys liked this $173 Abercrombie haul, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I keep messing with this collar.